Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. So this is a super neat layout, super neat back portion. I'll show you on the other side and you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. So this is a Merhow Next Generation 8414 straight wall with a slide. They've done, we've done full, Merhow, we've done full extrusion. That would be all the aluminum, ribbed aluminum from front to back. It comes standard from the back of that escape door, which is kind of right here back, but we did the entire trailer. It just makes it a little bit more flashy. It definitely strengthens the integrity of the trailer. So definitely that is a addition on this one. It actually makes it look really super flashy too. This one has a hay rack with the extend a ladder. White in color, it's 8 wide, 7'6" tall, all aluminum. So I'm just gonna kind of do a tour around the outside and then I'll go to the inside. Try to explain how the back is set up. It's pretty neat. Stainless nose. It's got 2 propane tanks, 2 hydraulic jacks with individual switches to move those up or down to level differently, the legs differently if you need to. Lockable battery box. Does have the graphics package. This does have a upgraded hot water heater. So that's a 10-gallon hot water heater. It does have drop windows on the head side, 4. This is a 4-horse. Does have a flip-up step at the escape door. Has 3 manger boxes. Underneath those windows are manger storage. As I said, it's got the hay rack with the extend a ladder. Aluminum wheels. These wheels have been upgraded. So it is an upgraded to pretty sure, and of course I'm trying to read it as I'm out here, but these have been upgraded. All right guys, I can't find what it is, but I'm pretty sure G-rated. Sorry I wasted so much time. So these are upgraded tires, G-rated. Does have load lights on either side with switches and on the back. Collapsible rear tack, brush box saddle rack that does come out. Bridle hooks, and it does have the blanket bar. All LED interior lights in the horse box, as you can see. So now I'm going to try to explain this horse box. All right, so it's a 4-horse. So you've got that. Then you've got your lower divider, and you've got a huge stall. I'm going to come around the other side and it'll kind of give you a better idea. Let me open this up, then I'll shut it back. All right, so basically, straight wall, you've got an escape door. As you spin around, you've got a ramp. And what this works best for is if you want to load your tack, you have a scooter, you have a small Cricket, a small SUV, a small 4-wheeler. It will come up that ramp and load right here straight on this straight wall. Let me go and just kind of zoom in. Empty weight of this trailer, they do weigh these 12 to 10. Fully lined and insulated horse box, does have roof vents all throughout. Sliders on the rear. Big and open, this is big. Another thing, I demoed a trailer with one of these, and if it's raining, you can actually make this as kind of like a little porch. You can kind of sit in here with a table with that ramp open. It actually, I'm pretty sure, faces out here with all your walk-in door to your living quarters. Yeah, sorry, I got kind of twisted up. Let me shut the divider back so I can kind of show you. Padded dividers, airflow dividers, I'm kind of getting ahead of myself from all the norm that I normally say in regards to. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so circling around, I'm gonna do an expanded. You can kind of see how big this stall is. So it still works for a horse. This makes for a big stall. You got a mare and baby, you could actually probably put them in this section. You got a stud that needs more room. I don't know, you can haul goats in here, a mini. I don't know, it kind of sky's the limit, but the concept is pretty cool in the fact that you have this ramp to load everything. Matter of fact, when I had this trailer, I literally walked up this ramp and loaded my interior. So all my food, my bedding, everything, I just walked in and out this way. Other side of the trailer, just kind of giving you a view of that. Power awning. All right, so hopefully that made sense about this box. I'm gonna go back to it one more time and not do the expanded. Kind of see if you can kind of see basically how it is. I'll try to do the measurements for the ad, but it kind of gives you an idea how big it is. All right, stepping up in the LQ, flip up step at the door. All right, and we'll go and expand it. So this is a next gen, so all real wood interior. This does have a slide with a couch that does make a bed. You've got your drawers for storage. You've got storage above the couch there. Which, mind you, the trailer I have now has that same storage above, and I get a lot of stuff up there. Spinning on around, bed area with steps up to the bed. You've got the console here with a TV, storage underneath, and you have a fireplace below, which is electric and does put out quite nice heat. If you've got electric and you're hooked up, you can use that versus your propane. You've got a hanging closet here. Back up. You got storage space all along the nose. All those cabinets are storage. You do have a hookup here for another TV if you wanted to put another TV. I've actually also had people that say that, that you can put a little dowel rod right here, and oh gosh, I got it kind of, a dowel rod up, and you could actually put a little privacy there if you wanted, for that bed area. High back bar stools, and they are super nice. Sturdy, they're solid. This has a rear kitchen. You've got a convection microwave, a glass 2-top burner stove, double stainless sinks, and you've got the flip up counter here for extra, I guess storage, or not storage. I'm having a rough time today, guys. Extra, I guess, prep space if you're cooking. This does have the upgraded high gloss countertops. Soft touch walls. Does have a big fridge that's back here to the right. Not doing that great of a job on this video today, guys, sorry. All right, just heading to the bathroom. I really like these straight wall bathrooms, just squared off. Gives you a little bit more space, in my opinion. You've got ample cabinet space, actually more cabinet space and closet space. Even though this doesn't have a walk-in closet, it's got enough space for storage and hanging space. Sink and vanity. A nice, actually, set of shelves behind the toilet. A pocket door. The dome shower, and then a walk-through door. And like I said, you know, based on using this back of this trailer would be nice that you could use for your dogs. You know, you'd have a little like area here for them, that they stayed in this area with the ramp. All right, so scanning back around, just kind of giving you a little bit more of a look how this layout is. Ducted AC with a propane furnace. All right, guys, so 8414 straight wall, 4-horse. Multi uses of that first stall. Definitely a unique layout with a unique rear horse box. All right, guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. You guys have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube if you are watching this video. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys.